teacher in this opportunity I speak about a peaceful summer. This summer important thought of importance of the calm. Without long drive or packed schedule, the pleasure of simple feast and staying is one is owned. The city was discovered. Initially, the silence and free time and created discomfort. Accustomed to the fast pace of routine, Summer seemed empty. Although there was to do, it was some discouraged. The focus shifted from joy to being. My favorite moments. Sunsets. The evening breeze and the color of the sky became a daily ritual. Slow meals. Enjoying a delicious meal on the terrace without of rushing. Reading for a pleasure. Immersing oneself stories without of pressure of the lane. This summer reminded me that it is not to have all my plans organized. The calm is necessary space to rechange. Thank you very much. This has been my presentation about my blog Summer.